Salty's got his jacket on. And just downstairs editing. Meredith's working, and wind's just come up 30 knots, as predicted. And that guy sitting over there, I'm pretty sure he's dragged, and he is getting real close to the rocks. Kind of on standby to see if he needs any help, but he's up, he's watching. He doesn't seem to be overly concerned, which, I mean, that's cool. That's cool. Hey, Salty, are you concerned? Anchor's come around and reset very nicely. Very happy with that. There's so much room for activities in here. That line's getting thicker, but I don't think we've dragged. Just been stretching a bit more because it keeps on coming back into the zone. So still feeling really good about it. Keep it clean. Okay, last half hour, up to 30 knots. Direction's just starting to shift a little. Still looking good. We should go somewhere that we don't get Oh, 44. Yeah, I hit 44. It's a little bit noisy, but the old guy that was parked down here, Linda or Lindy or something with his name of his boat, he's just picked up and moved because he was dragging. He dragged down through the afternoon, evening. When the big gust came, I can't hear anything.
Like a Yachtsman's gale to me. You want your head full frame? Yeah.
Me. You're filming yourself. $10. Alright, let's roll. Give me some name. Make sure you keep that going. Keep the turns on.
Huh?
Yeah, keep the turns on.
Yeah, no, it just went over.
Okay, slowly, Meredith. Drop, Jacob. Yacht, go, Richard. More. Roger. More. Good. Oh yeah. A little bit of wind.
We got 28 knots. Yeah, this is the Yachtsman. The RYA course being like, a Yachtsman's gale. It's bad when you can...
Take it, ready? Put your heading up.
Right over there.
Okay. Set, mate. Let's go.
Ready, go for it.
You're
Driving.
going, mate. You're going. Yep, good. Ready to release. Ready to release. Oh, release. It's good.
I guess I can.
I was like, wait a minute.
Now that's a scene.
It's some wind, boy.
Guys, how about we take the sails down and turn the engines on? This isn't real sailing.
I mean, we are on autopilot.
We've got 33 to 40 knots of wind. We're on a broad reach. Comes onto the beam sometimes, and we're sitting on 8.7 right now, up to 11.2. It's windy. It's windy. It hasn't dropped below 33 knots in about 10 minutes, and it looks like there's more coming, which is right for the forecast. We've definitely got it peaking around about 2 p.m. So it's rolling. We're going to make our way down towards second toss. We might go. I'm not sure. Basically, Kefalonia at the moment. So we'll see. See what comes of it. But it's beautiful. Isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. So we're going to call this a 45D milestone. Oh, and there might be another one right now. Fight it, Jacob. Fight it. Jacob just helmed us through a sustained section of 40 knots of wind and a good 1.5 meter swell waves. We're doing 10 knots. It's rocking. So well done on that. But it's a fight. It's a good one. That was fast. How fast was that?